YouTubers, thank you so much again for tuning in to another episode of the Chrissy Experience. How y'all doing? So today, tonight, it's gonna be something really simple. I ordered a 14-inch kinky straight wig from Amazon from Nice Hair. I'm just going to do a quick short review, or I don't want to say review, or tutorial of how I bleach the knots on this 360 frontal. So as y'all can see in the back, it's a 360 frontal. It looks a little bulky. I ordered it short for a reason, so that I can be able to pin it up and put it up in a ponytail so I can just throw it on and go. I didn't feel like really dealing with the long lengths. I didn't feel like dealing with any long hair this time around, so I wanted to kind of give you all a short mini tutorial of what to do with something short, simple, natural looking. So today I'm going to be using bleaching the knots with this Clairol Professional BW2 Dusted Extra Strength powder lightener. The typical, the basic, the usual. With a small 30 volume developer. You can use 40 if you want to, depending on how you want your lace to look, but I'm using 30 this time around. So just a little quick little review. I'm gonna be using this with my little brush. So first you want to start off with making sure this is all the way at the bottom. You want to start off, You want to start off with just a little bit of this, or possibly the whole one since I have a frontal. Pour it in the thing like that, the container like that. Pop this boy open. Pour it into the container. You want to make sure it is a chunky consistency. You don't want it to be too runny. Okay, so we're just going to take that, mix it in like that. Pour a little bit more in. There you go. Okay, so we want it to be a little bit thick, like I said, and it looks like it's getting that way. We're gonna leave this bleach in for about 20 minutes. You don't want to be too runny. You don't want to be too thick. You want it to be just right. It's getting on my hands a little bit. And I advise you to wear gloves with this process, ladies. Yep, so you want it to get like this consistency, or even a little thicker. Put a little bit in there. There we go. There we go. All right, so we want it to look like this. We want it to look just like that. Not too thick, not too runny, but perfect, just like that. And this stuff smells horribly. Okay. So we're gonna take this mixture and we're gonna put it on the frontal. We're gonna put it on the front. As you can see, just apply it like that. Okay, I'm back, ladies, with some foil. So we're just gonna go ahead and cover this frontal, this 360 with aluminum foil. Yes, ma'am. We're gonna cover it for about 20 minutes. Just as I said, to make sure all the color is seeped into the lace and incorporated correctly. Excuse my shorts, y'all. Got a lot going on. Just gonna cover it just like that, like it's some leftover Thanksgiving food. Okay, and the sides are covered as well. So, all right, there you have it, ladies. 20 minutes. I will see y'all soon. All right, so this is the finished product after it was bleached. Let me turn it up some more. Let me turn the light up some more. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so this is the finished look after it was bleached. I may have left it on there a little too long, but it may work out because I have a perfect foundation that'll blend this right in with my skin tone. Alright, so this is how it looks, ladies and gentlemen. After the bleaching, this is how the back looks. I can't wait till y'all see the finished product after I pluck it and everything. This is a 360. Alright. So yeah, I can't wait to slay this tomorrow. I really cannot wait. Like I said, as y'all can see, I cut where my ears are, so it's already technically measured. So I'll check back in with y'all tomorrow after this dries. Once I pluck it, flat iron it, style it, and everything, y'all will get to see the finished look, and I'm so excited. I will see you all tomorrow. Good night. Peace. Okay, so this is how the 360 looked after it was dried the next day. It was surprisingly really soft, real fluffy. It's not as thick as I would have hoped for, but the density is perfect for like an everyday wear. So yeah, that's how it looked in the front. I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron it, press it real good, get it nice and silky and whatnot. So you guys will be seeing that whole process. I was gonna pluck it on camera, but I ended up doing that right after I recorded this section. But yeah, there you guys go. All right, so after I plucked it and everything, I flat ironed it, pressed it, and even put little wine curls in it. It got a little flat because I had combed it out, but oh well. So we're just gonna go ahead and I didn't use any glue, I didn't use any gel. I just went ahead and did the spray because I was in a rush. I was going out that night, so I had to hurry up and make it do what it do. So as you guys see, I sprayed. I put the blow dryer as I sprayed, and this is a quicker process too, other than spraying it first and then letting it blow dry. This was the quickest way, and I think this is how I'm going to start laying my frontals. I didn't lay the back part because I felt like it. Yeah, I don't think the lace was too lengthy for that. The lace was a little too shorter than what I expected, so I just ended up cutting the lace off in the back and just wore it as a frontal. I didn't cut it because I didn't feel the need to. Y'all don't pay attention to my armpits. That's not the focus of this vlog. It's not the focus here. My focus is my hair. Don't judge me, y'all. But yeah, so like I said, I think I'm going to start doing that process instead of just spraying a spray and letting the blow dryer dry the hair. And this is my friend David. He's so stupid. He was interrupting me talking about some hurry up. Yeah. So I will wait till you guys see the finished look. I'm gonna leave it here, and yeah, I'm excited. Actually, that little front part where you see the blonde, where I bleach my knots too. I'm so silly. Where I bleach my knots a little too hard in the front. I think it actually looks a little cute. I wasn't really tripping about that anyway. So, um, yeah, this is after I went ahead and laid the frontal. Everything was all dry. Like I said, I didn't cut it that much because I felt like it looked really natural. I'll probably go back and cut it later in the other video, but you guys, I was so really pleased with this. It looks really natural. I think I did a really great job on this. I went ahead and put some oil sheen on it, put a little oil on it, put a little bit more spray on the ends just to blend it through, put a little bit of foundation in it, and you guys, there we have it. This is a natural 360 kinky straight 14-inch frontal. And I hope you guys love it because I love it, and I will be seeing you all soon in the next tutorial. Love y'all. Peace and Happy New Year.